Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you about the incredible benefits of incorporating salads into your daily diet. Salads are not just a side dish or a boring plate of greens. They are a powerhouse of nutrients that can transform your health and well-being. First and foremost, salads are packed with vitamins and minerals that are essential for our bodies to function properly. From vitamin C in citrus fruits to iron in leafy greens, salads provide a wide array of nutrients that can boost our immune system, improve our digestion, and give us the energy we need to tackle our day. But it's not just about vitamins and minerals. Salads are also a great source of fiber, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight and preventing chronic diseases. Fiber helps to keep us feeling full and satisfied, reducing the temptation to reach for unhealthy snacks or overeat at meals. And let's not forget about the antioxidants found in many salad ingredients. Antioxidants help to protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to inflammation, aging, and even cancer. By eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your salads, you can ensure that you are getting a healthy dose of these powerful antioxidants. But perhaps the best thing about salads is their versatility. You can customize your salad to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs, whether you're vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, or just looking to add more protein to your diet. With endless combinations of ingredients to choose from, you'll never get bored of eating salads. So, I urge you to make salads a regular part of your meal plan. Whether you enjoy them as a side dish, a main course, or a snack on the go, salads are a delicious and nutritious way to fuel your body and nourish your soul. Trust me, your body will thank you for it.